Hi guys, today we are going to make a quick 3-minute logo, and the logo is the Google Play logo. So I think we should start now. So first of all, select the polygon tool from here. So press here. Select three sides. Radius doesn't matter. Select three sides and OK. I'm going to change the color to blue, and after that, select transform. And in the rotate, select -90 degrees. So the shape is now rotated. Now come to this one. Keep in mind that it should be like this. Okay, constraint, and select width 120 by 130. Height should be 130 and width should be 120. Now select this tool and copy, Control C and Control V. So now we have got a copy of this one. Change the size of this to 70 width, yes, and now select the direct selection tool. First select this the large one. I think I should change the color of this one so that it will be very clear. I think I should change to white. Now select the direct selection tool, and you see that this little circle, white circle, double click on it, and in the radius put 6. Okay, so now the shape is rounded here. Okay, now select the other one and put it on top of it. Select both the shapes, align, and horizontal align left, click on it, and then vertical align center, click on it, and now select the top one, the blue one. Select this one, reflect tool, hold, press and hold Alt key, and left mouse click here. Select vertical and then copy. So now another shape with the vertical is generated here. Now you have to bring both the shapes close enough that it should be touching, both the top corners should be touching each other. Select all these three shapes, go to Pathfinder, select the white. Now the shape is divided, right click, undo. Now delete the unnecessary parts from here, and here. Now fill the color, green here and yellow on the front one. So that's it guys, we have made a Google Play logo. Thank you much for watching, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.